Welcome to the online edition of Global News Morning with Paul Brothers and Eilish Bonin, your one-stop shop for all the latest in news, with a special focus on the mpox outbreak in Nova Scotia. Wednesday marked the last day to attend a mass mpox immunization clinic in Nova Scotia's capital city of Halifax, but the Halifax Sexual Health Centre is offering to book appointments for others who need the shot. Although the outbreak is showing low case numbers in the province, Abby Ferguson, the executive director of the Halifax Sexual Health Centre, is encouraging those at risk to get the shot. Ferguson expresses her appreciation on behalf of the clinic, that the province provided the opportunity to show they strongly hold their power and trust in the HRSC and that they are able to deliver the service. The outbreak, which began last year, posed more of a risk to those in the LGBT community. However, Dr. Jesse Cancer, the Regional Medical Officer of Health for the province's Eastern Zone, is quick to mention that anyone can get infected, and so it is crucial for everyone to be aware. Mpox is a disease which can spread through close contact with an infected person, including sexual activities as well as through contact with contaminated items, such as bedding and clothing. The first case of mpox in Canada occurred in May 2022, and the first case in Nova Scotia was recorded on August 23, 2022. Although the cases remain low, Dr. Jesse is still encouraging people to remain vigilant if anyone is planning to attend events or interact with other communities where there is potential of exposure. To be eligible for a first dose, individuals must identify as a cisgender or transgender queer man, two-spirit person or non-binary person and have sexual contact with a cisgender or transgender queer man, two-spirit or non-binary person. It is also recommended for those who have had 2 or more sexual partners in the last 3 months, have had a diagnosis of a bacterial sexually transmitted infection in the last 3 months, attended, worked at, or volunteered at an event/social venue for sexual contact in the last 3 months, or have engaged as a worker or client in sex work. The Halifax Sexual Health Centre has a large stock of refrigerators where the vaccines are stored, and once you have your first dose, there is a waiting period of 28 days for the second dose. We urge you to stay vigilant and spread the word about the outbreak, the need for caution, and to take the protocols from mpox seriously. This is your one-stop shop for news on the Global News Morning online edition with Paul Brothers and Eilish Bonin. Thanks for tuning in.